Hello crafters, this is Agnes from Agnes Crafts. Today I will be sharing with you on how to make a quill lemon slice. Before going on to the demonstration, if you are new here, then this is a channel about card making using stamping and quilling techniques. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified on our new videos. If you are already a subscriber, then remember to click the bell icon and be notified. Let us first see the list of materials needed. To make my lemon, I choose a pale bluish color strip, cut it into half of its length, make a loose coil and use a circle scale to get the same size every time. I put my first coil in the scale while I make another coil. When I finish the second coil, I replace the coil from the scale and paste it, forming a teardrop shape. Then the next one from the scale. This helps to save time. It is a simple trick but saves a lot of time. I place the finished teardrops in a big circle so that I can check the number of elements I need to make the lemon slice. I use pale yellow strip to wind around each teardrops. I go slowly, adding each teardrops. I use 3 pale yellow strips to complete the inner layer of the lemon slice. For the outer skin of the lemon, I use a brighter yellow. I finally apply white glue all over the lemon slice so that it stays safe and the elements don't peel out and also gives a glossy look. If you wish to have a more glossy look for your lemon slice, then you can apply 2 or 3 layers of glue. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon with another interesting video.